Hi, this is Robert Clinkerbeard. I just wanted to talk to you today about daily huddles. So you often hear that term, daily huddles, and what does that really mean? It's probably one of the most powerful routines that can happen in a business, and this should be carried out on a daily basis. So, a few tips I recommend to businesses. Start at a weird time in the morning. Start at 9:06, start at 11:25. Really weird times, just so that people will remember it. And it should be blocked out within your calendar. And it should last, typically, I get asked this question all the time, and my recommendation that it should be last 1 minute per person in the room. So it should be in a standing environment. So if you have 10, 15 people, probably no more than that per huddle, then obviously that's going to be 10 or 15 minutes. So a lot of people say, well, there's so many different departments, so many moving parts, it's impossible to try and do that. So I try and recommend, let's do it per department or do it per leadership team, or maybe it's done in a branch or facility. It can be done remotely, it can be done by video, but everybody should have those huddles. So it should be run by somebody who's pretty structured and disciplined. They almost have a little bit of an inspiring personality. And the typical agenda I recommend is, what's going to happen within the next 24 hours? Is there any upcoming events? Is there some special client visiting? What's going to happen in the next 24 hours? And then talk about what's your daily metrics. Daily metrics could be number of sales, could be number of phone calls you're taking. What are those daily metrics that you're measuring? What are the things you're stuck at? Is there anything that's stopping you, preventing from being successful? So really bring that up quickly within the meeting, and then hopefully somebody around you will have that answer. And anything else that comes up is just being a little bit more drawn out conversation, then maybe just take that offline and we could talk about it a little bit more. But keep it to 10, 15 minutes max, quick, fire, inspiring, healthy, talk about the wins. And I think you'll really benefit from the daily huddle. So again, Robert Clinkerbeard, the Radix Group, and thanks very much.